Julio decided to stay at the house, or at the hotel, because he had to do some homework stuff. So it's just me and Nikki today, but we're going to some hot spring, natural hot spring. I got lost on the way, but that's besides the point. But it should be a good time. I had to put on my day walker because I was sitting in the pool over here just baking in the sun. Reason number 852 why Crocs are goated. Go into hot springs with them. Seems like this place is relatively popular just because of social media and stuff, but I don't think people stay here for too long. But yeah, I met a really nice Filipino family right there. They live in Calgary, but yeah, it seems like people from all over are visiting these hot springs, which I mean, it's pretty cool because this is like one of the coolest, I think, hot spring places I've been to. Look at the dog. Nikki made a friend.
Yeah. Depends where you are. Oh, that's cooler.
Bro, Nikki, you couldn't do that.
I'm too big.
You couldn't do that. I'm about to head out. But yeah, it's a cool spot. This pool right here is relatively cold. That pool over there is relatively cold the further you're away, but it's kind of warm where the ladies are on the other side of the rocks. This one is like warm where this lady is. It's a little hotter, and over here it's super hot. But it's definitely really refreshing. But yeah, now I think we're gonna leave and go pick up Julio, who hopefully finished all his work, and then go eat because we're kind of hungry. So that's the plan. Kind of cool to just be able to walk everywhere.
Yeah, pretty convenient.
Damn, that's a fat ass ice cream cone. Holy
What are they doing
shit.
up there?
Huh? Up there? They're skating.
Sanding it?
Gripping the gnar. Yeah, Horse Thief Creek Pub and Eatery.
Horse Thief.
Hey, I'm gonna try to not eat too much. So I kind of want something from over there, from that ice cream place.
Ooh, what time do they close?
I don't know, but probably late.
That's true. Once they start. Then again, I feel like places around are closed now.
Yeah. Oh, we need to look up the population for.
Horny for radio.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Of course. Are you horny for radiant?
Hey, don't tempt me.
Your fingies?
Yes, sir. Then you gotta cheers the camera.
I don't want to spoon
There it is.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want peace, go and throw up the sign. If you want feast, get the animal fries. Put her on her back like Charles Dupont. I get choked out for the 100.